Hey, today I'm going to show you how to list an item for sale on the Poshmark app. We will cover determining your price, taking pictures, and creating your listing. So to determine price, I go and do a search for the item that I'm going to sell. Today, I'm going to use my Game of Thrones costume example that we're going to list. Here's a sample picture of mine that we're going to list together. Now, we find several different prices like $50, $80, even $19, $125. I handmade my costume, so I'm not going to have an actual example of a price it should be, but I'll get an idea. Now it's time to take pictures of your listing item. So this is my setup area to take my pictures. I've got my background, I've got some lighting here and over here. I've got my mannequin. And the most important tip that I can give you is to make sure your pictures are in square format. Otherwise, you'll end up cropping out a lot of important parts of it. So here's some examples of the pictures that I ended up using for this particular item. I take several pictures and I changed scenery. I took some outside this time, and I just snap away and then pick which ones are the best in the end. Your lighting is very important also, but we'll have a separate video on that. Now we are ready to create our listing for sale. So in your Poshmark app, click on Sell, and that takes you to another screen where you're going to click to access your photo library and pick the pictures that you want to have in your listing. So go into your camera roll and select your amazing photos that you have taken. Next, you will be taken to a screen where they ask if you want to crop your photos. If you've done this in square format, you won't have to do this. Next, you want to pick your cover shot. Obviously, your best photo, which is going to appear in the search results, kind of like a thumbnail. Last, they give you the option to edit it, and then at the top right corner, click Next. Okay, so here's your listing. Now we're going to edit it. So if you didn't put your cover shot in the right spot, this is where you can move your photos around and change the order of them however you like. Now we're going to enter the details. Click on what you're selling and type in a description that will be seen whenever people get search results for your item. I'm going to name mine Handmade Khaleesi Mother of Dragons Costume. Next, we're going to type in the description. And so here, you're going to want to put as many details as possible. The better your description, the better your results on your sales will be. I also use this space to put an inventory number so I know where my item's located at. And you'll want an inventory system too once you get more than like 30 items, trust me. But we'll have a separate video on that too. Next, we're going to select the category, and I'm choosing women. And I'm going to pick other because they don't have a section for costumes, and so it's going to go there. For my quantity, I only have one. For my size, I'm going to choose one size fits all. You can pick colors in case people are searching for them. I didn't choose any on this particular listing. And I'm going to select no, not new with tags because I made it and I wore it once. So for the original price, I don't know because I made it. So I just put $999 and then I've decided I'm going to list it for $99. And that's it. We're done with our listing. If we're happy with it, click next, list, and boom, you're done. Now you can go back into your closet and it should be the first listing listed in your closet, just like mine. Good luck! Thanks for watching my video.